Have you guys not been able to order anything on Best Buy? Because this is all sold out still. Ugh, the worst. I wish I could click these links, but I can't buy any of them. Alright, let's try Newegg. Oh god, it's also on auto notify still? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get one of these cards on Straightforward Tech. Our first step to setting up is to use these various Discord servers that are available to us. So this main one is the Nvidia one. This is the, I guess you could say, official Nvidia Discord server. A lot of general talk about stock is here, but it's more just users posting links whenever they see stock available. And a lot of them used to use Distill to monitor websites, and they would just drop links in here. Alright, this first one we're going to talk about is ATR Stonks. This is the first one that uses notifications that you can sign up through, okay? And sometimes whenever stock is available, they'll pop up in these, various rooms. As you can see, a bot will ping these rooms, and you can click these links and bring you directly to there. All right, this next one we're going to talk about is called stock drops. They do very similar things as well. As you can see, you can sign up based on your region. Here we can see America, Canada, and you can click based on which ones you want, whether it be 70, 80, or 90 series. Also, it pings the server rooms, and you can click the links directly. Alright, this next one is called Liquid Freno. They do very similar things. You can sign up for various notifications, and they ping the rooms directly as well. This last one's actually pretty funny. They call it Snail Monitor, do very similar things, and they claim to be the slowest, but you can also click the links directly as well from the various rooms. Before proceeding with the next steps, make sure you have Discord, Newegg, Amazon, and Best Buy downloaded on your phone. Here, you're going to open up Discord now, scroll down to your settings, find Web Browser, and change it from In-App Browser to whichever one you want to use. Now we're going to show an example of how this works. You're going to go to whichever server room has the ping in it. Then you're going to click the link. So this one says Amazon. As you can see, it scrolls all the way to the Amazon app from the phone. Perfect. Well, minus these scalpers. Next, we're going to show the Newegg one as well here. As you can see, you can click it. Opens the Newegg app directly. Auto notify, out of stock still. Alright, this last one we're going to show will be Best Buy. Alright, you can click yes, open these links. As you can see, it brings you to the cards directly. Sold out. Damn. Now we're going to show you how to save items to your wish list, and this is going to be useful for checking out on the app later. So I'm going to look up the RTX 3080, click the FE model right here, and on the right hand side below the sold out area, you're going to click the save button. I'm going to show you my saved items that I have. As you can see, these are all the various items I have saved, and these can show up in your Best Buy app also. Alright, we're going to do the very same thing on Newegg also. As you can see, type it in, RTX 3080. Over here they call it a wish list though, so click one. We're going to look at the Asus TUF here. And then on the right hand side, you'll see this little heart that says add to wish list below the auto notify button. You're going to click that, add it to one of your wish lists that you've created, or make a new one. And then you're going to add it to view. Now these are all the different 30 series cards that I have saved into a wish list. So now we're going to go through how to purchase on Best Buy. Let's pretend this is a 30 series card. Let's scroll down to the one we want. If you can, you want to click the Buy Now button. Sometimes you'll have to click Add to Cart. And I noticed they've implemented a new waiting feature in the Add to Cart button. But if you can, click Buy Now, and then it'll show up and then just place your order through here. Next, we're going to look at Newegg. Alright, so very similar idea, but on Newegg, there's Apple Pay. For those iPhone users, definitely use that as it's much faster. With a bit of luck, I was able to get a 3090 for the Win 3 Ultra. I'm sure these can also be applied to the new AMD cards as well. Comment, like, and subscribe below. Have a good day!